Hey loves, it's Yuli from Yuli's Boutique, here to teach you how to measure your body so that you can purchase items online. That's the hardest part about purchasing online. You see an item, you like it, you see the model modeling it, and she's running down the runway and her hair is blowing, but unless you try it on, you don't know if you can fit it, right? That's where your measurements come in. Anytime you buy something online, the measurements are always included, especially on our website. Every dress we have listed has the measurements for that dress. And the way that you will find out if you can fit that item or not is by measuring yourself. So I'm here to show you how to do that. The first thing you'll need is a measuring tape. You can find these standard measuring tapes in any sewing kit. You can go down to the dollar store and get a sewing kit and there's a measuring tape included. Measuring tape. So the three areas that we will need are 1, our bust, 2, our waist, 3, our hips. Those 3 numbers must be measured in order to know whether the dress fits, okay? So let's start with the bust. So take the measuring tape, starting with the 1, and take it all the way around your bust. And you're going to measure your bust at the very largest part, okay? The largest part there. Make sure that that's the largest portion on your bust. And where the measuring tape meets that number, that is your bust. So go and write that down. Second, you'll need your waist. Same thing, you take the measuring tape, take it all the way around your waist. And where those numbers meet, that's your waist. Sorry, I lost a little weight, got excited. I'm actually gonna keep that in. That was genuine. So that is your waist. I lost an inch. Okay. Now, for your hips, you'll do the same thing. You'll take the measuring tape and you'll go around the largest portion of your hips. The largest portion, which is approximately 7 inches below your waist. Go around, okay? Measure that, and where the numbers meet, that's your hip size. So you'll take those 3 numbers. You will take a look at the dress, and you can find the size that you need very easily. So just remember bust, waist, hips. That's it. Just take your bust, waist, and hips. And if you have those 3 numbers, you can purchase anything on our website online. So we hope that helps you. And if you have any questions, you know you can reach out to me, girls. Just send me an email at yulisboutique.fashion. Or you can even call me at 916-584-4540. That's our new number for our shop. So we want to share that number, make sure everyone has that. So other than that, we just hope everyone's having a beautiful day, stress-free day. Hopefully you're spending some time with the family. And you know what? If you have not today, if you haven't told at least one person you love them, go do it now. Go do it. Text them, call them, stop by, whatever you have to do. Let them know that you love them, okay? Because you can never express that too many times. So that's it. Until next time, my loves. Bye. And thank you so much for your support, because without you, there's no us. Bye.